So the first thing is not that important, but I realized that the green line on the tires that the tires come shipped with get worn out on the back long before they get worn out on the front. I'm at roughly 12 miles. I don't know, let me check right now. Alright, I'm at roughly 13 miles. So the back gets worn out long before the front. So yeah, pretty much expect the back tire to get replaced maybe 3 times or 2 times more than the front. I don't know, that's my luck, but that's what it looks like it's gonna be. So the second thing is quality. The alarm that the scooter comes with, which is this one, is not as loud as you'd like. Sounds like a car alarm, that's great, but it's not that loud. I mean, it's decent, but it's not that loud. Now, the alarm that I installed earlier on the side, let's see what that sounds like. I haven't tried it yet, but we're gonna find out. I don't even, okay. Let me turn off the other alarm. Okay, that was this alarm. It's pretty annoying and pretty loud. All right, so let's hold on. Let's make sure that one's off. I'm gonna test this one. So basically, the vibration of the alarm of this alarm, the vibration of one of the alarms set the other one off. All right, so let's try that again. This alarm. That's pretty loud. Yeah, that's very loud. And it's over. Alright, so the link to this alarm is going to be on the description. Definitely, I really recommend you count on this alarm rather than the other one if you want to be alerted. Alright, back to riding.